Today we are talking about our ballroom arms. So for starters, I tend to simplify things because we have many dancers come into our studio or take our classes that are really new to dance. So we start with a very simplistic arm. We want it extended and we make contact with our palms on one side. The leader's other palm is on the shoulder blade and our elbows connect. I typically ask for the follower to put their thumb on the seam of the leader's shirt. That way, it gives you something to visualize as you're doing this. We want our elbows lifted. One of the ways that I ask my dancers to practice if they don't have their partner is to actually put a broomstick or a cane of sorts from elbow to elbow. So to give you a visual, the lines behind us on the door are in a horizontal plane. That cane would go on that horizontal plane, and you still keep your arms extended as though you have a partner, but then you make sure that you don't drop that. As we progress, we do want to be able to start going into more of the traditional ballroom arms, but this takes a little bit of work because it's very easy to drop our arms and lose our upper body alignment that we need. We eventually do want to be able to wrap our hand around the upper arm of our leader and also be able to do the arm positioning without our elbows touching. There are different ways of doing those positions. This is our two hands joined position, often used for certain salsa and cha-cha positioning, but definitely for swing, where we can do our two hands joined position and do each of our lindies. And this can also be a transition step, which I'll give you a small demonstration of later. When you're holding this, you want to make sure that it's like you're pulling on reins, so your arms stay parallel to the ground and their elbows are slightly away from your body. Next, we have our semi-open position, also used heavily in ballroom. This is what gives us that pyramid effect. So our body is at the base of the pyramid here, in which case then we step forward in alignment from our bodies. So our feet get closer and then we do the ball change away in this position. This is that demonstration that I was talking about a minute ago, where you want to be able to go from that two hands joined position, lift your arms, and we're going to turn into the sweetheart position. Now, in this demonstration, we did not stress about the footwork happening because this movement can be used in many different dances. So we just walked around in a circle and then you end in the sweetheart. We have our shine position next, which is similar to two hands joined, but now you're not touching. Your palms simply face the ground, and again, you keep your elbows slightly out from your body. The weaves that we demonstrated are able to have different hand positions, so they can be palm up or palm down. Again, there's a lot more that goes into this stuff, and this is just meant to give you a little bit of an overview. I will see you tomorrow.